It's like when you were kids, you used to put stuff in your tire to make it sound cool. I'm not trying to do all that right now. Whew. That torque, man. There is some crazy torque on this thing right out of the gate. All right, folks, welcome back. We're out here again with the Talaria Sing 2022 model, my brand new bike. This thing is awesome. We're out here in OC, ripping it up. We're gonna hit some single track right now, guys. Watch this, it's gonna be awesome. Turn it on, hit start. Woo! Let's go up here because I want to start and drop in up here. So the Talaria is awesome. I hope you guys are liking some of the other videos that I've been posting on this thing. And just to let you guys know, like my first ride, I kind of did a little bit of everything. I kind of rode some single track here that I found. If you guys watch those videos, man, I need hand guards. And then I rode street, you know, high speed and low speed on the street. I did a single track in eco mode because I thought that was really cool. It's not messing up the tracks or anything, but I'm gonna hit that single track right there. And so yeah, a little bit of everything. And I burned about 45% of the battery. I'm going here, guys, thanks. And 45% of the battery, and I rode for an hour and 50 minutes. And I went back and I charged it for about an hour, and it came back out and it was like at 92%. So, and I rode here, which was almost 2 miles, and I'm at 85% now. And that was like 2 miles of street miles. So, whew, here we go. Single track, baby. Ooh, a lot of brake action here. I have the Regen on 4. Plenty of power here. I'm in sport mode right now. And I'm just kind of giving it some brake and kind of backing it in there a little bit on these berms. Brakes have seated in and they're feeling really good. This is fun. A little switchbacky action. Oh, if I would have been set up better, I could have hit that a little harder. This is my first time on this, so I don't even know like the track at all. This is some good stuff. Bike feels good standing up. In my opinion, the pegs aren't as bad as everybody says they are. I'm not having any issues, but then again, I ride stock CB500X pegs. Ooh, where are we at now? Okay, this is where we're going now. Yeah, I think we go this way. That was fun. That was super fun. Oh my goodness. Nice stuff. Water crossing. So yeah, the brakes have bedded in and they're feeling a lot better than that initial ride that last night, I guess it was. And as you can see, I'm getting a little more confident with the thing. Woo, that torque, man. There is some crazy torque on this thing right out of the gate. That initial punch that it has. And it's a little hard to get used to. Tumble Falls. That's a one-way only too. Yeah, we're gonna go this way. I'm trying to be easy. I'll go to eco mode on this stuff. This beautiful waterfall here. This place is awesome. So just cruise around in eco mode on this nice trail. This is like a brand new park here. Hello. These tires aren't the greatest, you guys, especially for this stuff. I said it in my other video, and I can feel the front washout and the back washout, but oh, we're going this way. But what's cool is they kind of both give at the same time, so it feels balanced, you know what I mean? And that's fine for right now. So I would ultimately like a little more traction up front than the back, but whatever. Here we go. Oh wait, get out of, hold on, I felt it when I came out of there. Eco mode's really mellow and it's cool. We'll put it on sport mode here. Oh, so we can catch air like that. Oh yeah, bringing the back up. Back tires coming up. Whoop. This is like full on, like dirt bike riding. Oh, there goes that. So this, I'm not a big fan of this front fender, and I just heard it hit, and yeah, it busted the tie strap instantly, so I don't know how that's gonna work out. We'll see what happens. That thing's gonna get sucked underneath. Probably mess me up. I think I'm gonna stop and have to take that off up here. Woohoo! Woo! There it goes. It just busted all the way off. Dang it. That's fine. And I knew it wasn't going to last long, so. Whew. Working up a sweat already. This bike does have a kickstand kill switch, so when you have the kickstand down, it won't go. Sounds like something's rubbing up front now. That mud puddle will get you. So this thing cruises the trails awesome in eco mode. We just use eco mode to get back up, and that way again we're not ripping the trails up. You can still break the tires loose on this trail in eco mode, and you can do like 30 in eco mode, which is plenty. This is a good cool down time right here, which I guess for a mountain biker would be the heat up time, because they have to pedal back up this hill, and the Talaria does it for you. Shit. Fender again. This fender's gonna have to go. Yeah, all this stuff's breaking off. Woo! 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 All right, fender. Oh man. Come on, I gotta stop and take this off Opap dikes. It's like when you were kids, you used to put stuff in your tire to make it sound cool. I'm not trying to do all that right now. Alright, I got my fender ripped off. I didn't have any dikes or anything, so that was kind of fun. I knew that fender wasn't going to last that long. I don't even know why I put it on. The Talaria Sing. Quite the bike. The throttle's a little interesting to get used to because, you know, on a gas bike you can just, oops, I need to put my goggles back on. Much better. You know, on a gas bike you can pull the clutch in and still be revving it. Whereas on this electric bike, or any electric bike that doesn't have a clutch, and there are electric bikes that have clutches, it's like do or die. If you're twisting that wrist, man, it's going no matter what. So, and I did the brake sensor mod on this bike, so even if you hit the brakes on this, it's still putting power down. So and I did that for a couple reasons, and actually doing that, it's making a habit, or giving me a habit, or starting a habit, which I gotta stop. I'm trying to let the back brake out almost like a clutch now when I'm riding around town and going through intersections, and it's kind of weird, but that wouldn't really work if I still had the brake sensors attached. But by having the brake sensors disconnected, it allows you to feather the brake and the throttle together when you're doing wheelies. And like I was doing some wheelies last night, and I went to feather the brake, and I felt it instantly cut the power, which messes everything up. So and then you can power brake it, you can trail brake it, and those kind of things. So it just adds more maneuverability to the bike, but in my opinion maybe takes away a little bit of the safety on the bike too, because this thing will go, man. This thing will it'll go. You know, you see how fast it is with 150 pounds, or even my buddies last night with 200 pounds. Just imagine if there's no pounds on it, how fast it would be if you were, you know, walking it around or something. So just amazing. Nice. Getting smoother. Mine sport or eco? I want sport. Alright. Just didn't feel as punchy there. Probably because I'm getting smoother. Alright. Whew. Get in the track. Alright. So much fun, so much fun. So I hope you guys are enjoying this episode of Oregon Motorcycle. There'll be more of this Talaria to come, and more CB500X to come, and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna have to get a like a OHV permit for this thing, or I don't know. You guys can comment down below and tell me if I need an OHV permit for this. I guess kind of. I don't know. This thing's like so in between. I can't even tell you guys really what it is. I mean, it's a motorcycle because it has a motor and it's 2 wheels, so I'm calling it my motorcycle. It's my new motorcycle, but you know, I don't know, like is it a dirt bike? Yeah, it goes on the dirt and it's a bike. It's definitely not a bicycle. So anyways folks, until next time, Oregon Motorcycle.